Just got done buffing and vacuuming everything. I'm just show you a quick little test spot. So the floor is, I thought it was golden oak at first, but it's definitely a little red. So I went with gun stock. And so as you see, I don't know if it was a chair or a piece of furniture right here. It's just dragging back and forth throughout the years, and it pretty much scratched down to the bare wood. So this is not a sand and refinish to where I'm getting these scratches out. The client already knows that this is just like a, putting a band-aid over something that needs surgery. And so I already did a little test spot right there, as you can see, but let me just show you when I add a little stain to it. See how that just blends in with the rest of the floor? And so basically I'm gonna do this across this entire floor. Alright, so I already put the stain down. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the oil base, seal everything in, but you can tell how much better it looks already. Even this area right here, I mean, it's still a little dry, but that's just because of the wood. The only way to make it perfect is to sand it down, but it still looks 80% better. And with this polyurethane coat, it's gonna bring everything together. So much better. Once this dries, it's a satin. So once this dries in about 8 hours or so, everything will be nice and consistent. So you see, I haven't done this side yet, but I pretty much stopped myself right here. So that looks way more consistent and way more sellable than how it was earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Just painting my way out the door. This is the last little spot. That oil base drying up pretty nice. It'll take about 8 hours, give or take. So we're gonna cut these lights off. All right, so this is day 2. I just came back to check everything, see how it dried up, and it dried up great. Like I said, it's just one coat of oil, satin. See, remember this dry spot? It was looking really rough. Like I said, it's not a perfect repair, but this will get it to where they can just sell the home and be finished with it. But I think it came out great. Nice consistent sheen across the floor. The floor isn't as dry looking. Like I said, that's the spot that I had the test spot and whatnot, and that filled in really nice. So once again, Josh Wheeler, 360 Hardwood Solutions, just showing the day 2 after the polyurethane dried of how it looks